Cork sheets and gasket paper are becoming harder and harder to come by these days, mainly because creating a custom gasket can be much quicker and easier with something like this week's featured product. Check out the Anaerobic Flange Sealant from Permatex. When two pieces of machined equipment need to come together, the machining process leaves behind small imperfections along the surface. This means that a true seal will never be formed and has the potential for leaks to find their way through, unless you have a gasket. With Permatex, all that's needed is to squeeze out a beaded line along the connecting surfaces, making sure to circle around any bolt openings. And when the two pieces are torqued together, the flange sealant will spread out and fill in the imperfections up to a 0.381 mm gap, leaving behind a perfect watertight seal. Now, an anaerobic flange sealant means that this compound will begin to cure when there is no air present and it's in contact with an active metal, which is a type of metal that reacts with other elements due to its ease of sharing electrons. Metals like steel, iron, and aluminum are all considered to be active. Permatex's flange sealant has two sizes available: a 50 ml tube and a 300 ml cartridge, and is resistant to power-strained fluids like engine oil, transmission fluid, coolants, and even gasoline. Plus, it has long-term durability on flanges that move while in service. It can resist temperatures from -51 degrees all the way up to plus 150 degrees Celsius. But if your equipment runs a lot hotter, there's also a high temp formula that can work up to 204 degrees Celsius. So pop the cork off those old gaskets and smear on some of this week's featured product, the Anaerobic Flange Sealant from Permatex. What gaskets do you prefer, cork or liquid? Let's chat about it in the comments below. And thanks for watching our 100% Canadian content. Check back often for more unique featured products. Bye!